In the last video, we explored what retrievers are and why they are such an essential part of LangChain. Now let's see how they actually come to life with the help of something called a vector store retriever. Think of a vector store as a smart database that doesn't just store text, it stores the meaning. We've already talked about this. Every sentence, paragraph, or document we feed into it is converted into a numerical representation called an embedding, and then these embeddings capture the semantic meaning of our text. So instead of searching for exact words, a retriever searches for similar ideas. So in this video, we're using Chroma, which we've already used earlier, which is one of the most popular open source vector databases out there. So once we add our documents into Chroma, it handles all the heavy lifting, storing, indexing, and efficiently searching through our vectorized data. Now to generate these embeddings, we'll be using Hugging Face embeddings, a special model that we've already used in the past. The model will transform each document into a high-dimensional vector, allowing Chroma to understand the relationship between different pieces of text. And then when we convert our Chroma vector store into a retriever, what we're really doing is giving our application the power to search semantically. So when we ask a question like what is Chroma used for, it doesn't just look for that exact phrase, but it finds sentences that mean something similar even though they're using different words. So the combination of Hugging Face embeddings and Chroma retriever forms the backbone of the retrieval-augmented generation RAG system that we've been talking about, and then a simple form of RAG we've already implemented in a previous video. So by the end of this video, you'll see how this retriever transforms ordinary text into a scalable, intelligent knowledge base that your AI can reason over effortlessly. Now, without any delay, let's go to the code. So I'm going to delete this Chroma database for now because it already contains previous embedding. So I'm going to create a new file here inside retrievers and then call it vector store retrievers.py. So let me import Chroma first. So from LangChain_Chroma, import Chroma. From LangChain_Hugging Face, import Hugging Face embeddings. From LangChain_core.documents, import document. Okay, so I'll also need to load .env. So from .env import load.env. Let me do load.env, load the Hugging Face credentials here. I'm going to create a document. I'll just copy paste it from somewhere. So these will be my source documents here. Let me wrap this up. Okay, so these will be my source documents here. We have these four contents, each defined inside a document. Then we'll initialize our embedding model. So this will be our Hugging Face embedding model. We'll use sentence transformers and then a model inside this sentence transformer. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a vector store. We've already done this again, so we'll use Chroma from documents from underscore documents. So our documents will be the document that we have here. Our embedding will be the embedding model that we have, and then the collection name, let's say, will be the sample. Okay, now we'll convert our vector store into a retriever. So a retriever equals to vector store dot as a retriever. I just need to pass the search keyword arguments. Search quarks equals to let me pass a dict here, so equal to 2. So I'm basically getting a top 2 result here. So query equals to, let's ask about embedding. So what does embedding do? And then based on this, I'm going to invoke my result. So retriever dot invoke, and then I'm going to get query, and based on this, I'm just going to print the result whatever it throws at me. So now let's run this. We have used vector store as a retriever here. Let's run this and then see what happens. So all of these are being converted to embeddings, and then a ChromaDB database is being created, and along with that it is being converted to retrievers. It is being converted as a retriever and then giving me the result. So if you see here, what I can see is whenever I ask about embedding, it gives me this result at first and then the embedding result. Do I have an embedding result? No, I have this Chroma and then also I have this LangChain result here. So I have these three documents provided to me for this particular question here. Or let me change my question and then ask, what is Chroma used for? And I just need one result here. Let me mention it to 1 and run this. So again, as you can see, my search directly redirects me to this. Chroma is a vector database optimized for LM search. It also provides me some more answers, few more answers here related to embeddings and then the OpenAI, but my most relevant result is the particular document here, or this particular document here for the query here. Okay, so this was another type of retriever that we've used. In the upcoming video, we'll see one more type of retriever. So I'll see you in the next video.